everything that is like not legible, like you can talk about the tech layer that you're applying to science in your mission statement. So right now we're having a molecule offsite in Lisbon, which is really exciting to for the first time meet some of the folks that we're working together with. Next week the same for Vitadal. And I think there's like huge value into like meeting the full team face to face. Also building up like a personal connection to everyone after having like seen them on like sometimes hundreds of calls.
Yeah, the offsite is actually a very great experience, I think, for us, for the team, but also for me. We work very decentralized, which is in the ethos of the space that we're working in as an intersection of research and Web3. And also when it comes to DeSci, that's kind of the values we preach. Still coming together in like a retreat like this, like a workshop like this, it actually creates an amazing bonding experience. So on the one side, we get to actually meet a lot of people that we only saw in person only through a screen. Now we get to meet them in person, which is amazing because you actually get to spend some more time and get the person more to know. I think that's something that we sometimes lack in the decentralized world, working together from all over the world.
It's cool to be in Lisbon, but it's a lot of hard work doing the things that we came here to do. And of course that means that you spend a lot of time looking out the window at the ocean instead of swimming around in the ocean. But it's the perfect environment to do this kind of work. You get the benefit of the kind of rejuvenating aspects of being in such a beautiful place. And those are kind of counteracting the very mentally demanding side of the work that we're trying to unpack here. And I think it's very noble to dedicate so much resource to something which is so foundational to a company's success. So I think it's given me honestly a lot of faith in the future of Molecule, seeing people so dedicated and so committed to unpacking such important material with the team. Yeah.
Oh yeah, like Molecule's remote culture actually enables me to do some of the sports that I might not, like that I would dream of doing regularly, but I can't. Like I'm growing up in Germany, obviously don't get to regularly go surfing. Though I love to do this sport, and the remote working culture now enables me to work and live in a space where I get to do this regularly. And I think this, like, it's a cliche to say that, but this like work-life balance day to day, where I can incorporate those lifestyles into my working habits, something that makes it like very fulfilling to work in such a setup.
I really like the benefits of also meeting people in person, like on this molecule offsite we're having right now, as well as also the benefits, of course, of remote work, to be able to collaborate with bright people around the world. You're not like limited to your like local location, as well as also basically like having the best of both worlds. So for me, like I get a lot of energy of just focusing on the work, connecting with the right people, even if they sit on a different continent. But then also from time to time to see people face to face at a conference or at an offsite or at the office, and basically taking the best of two worlds. So I think there's always like benefit in basically taking the best out of the two approaches and combining it.
I've joined Molecule because I think at the intersection between different industries lies the opportunity to have groundbreaking innovation. And I couldn't see anything more relevant than healthcare intersecting with technology in order to achieve those. And I think the order of magnitude that we are seeing right now as an opportunity to disrupt healthcare and the blockchain together, because they are already on a path of disruption in those industries alone, is basically unprecedented. And so I really see having a huge impact on both of those industries by joining the Molecule team and leveraging our conjunct efforts.
Molecule is one of the first organizations I've come across that is actually making it easier to get research dollars in the hands of scientists rather than going through all of the bureaucracy that they have to go through today, and also disintermediating the interface between patients at the one hand, the ultimate sort of beneficiary of the system, and all of the different profit-seeking enterprises in between. So the more we can remove bureaucracy, the faster these treatments will get to patients.